In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. All you need to do is hold your display and wait for theme section to show. When it does, tap on it and then hit themes at the bottom left corner. Now, you can pick any of those, select one of those categories, tap on featured or top, and even use this icon of a magnifying glass at the top right corner and type in wherever you want to. After finding a perfect theme for you, just click on it. I will go with this one. Hit download, tap on apply button and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my Samsung has changed. Let's check out lock screen too. Now, if you want to go back to your default theme or even any other theme you ever downloaded, go back to Themes app and tap on Themes section at the bottom left corner, the same one, this time to choose My Stuff at the top left corner. Under Themes you will find all of your downloaded ones and a default one. Click on the one you want to and choose Apply button in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!